By the way, we also want to thank our sponsors na sila yung gumawa ng table and yung shelf sa likod ng video namin. Now, we're here at Tools for Wood and Wood Academy. The Tools for Wood, dito sila gumagamit ng mga equipments nila. And then this Wood Academy, dito yung mga nagte-training, yung mga tao para to do some resins, to craft some woods. Now, let's go ahead and let's see what's inside the Wood Academy. So, dito sila nagte-train and then dito rin sila nag-assemble ng mga furnitures na inaano nila. That is why we would like to thank Wood Academy for our tables and shelves. So today we're gonna unbox an HP i3, but this laptop comes with a Microsoft Office Lifetime. So inside the box, of course, there's the laptop, which is an HP, and it comes with the manuals. It comes with 2 printed manuals, okay? And then the charger comes with 19.5 volts and 2.31 ampere with a 45 watts. Just like another HP product, it comes with 2 power socket. This one has a fuse, and then ito yung laging ginagamit natin sa Pilipinas. And of course, it comes with an HP bag. And after this video, we'll be giving 5 HP bags, so please stay tuned. So in order for you to win an HP bag, it's just simple. Just like our page, subscribe to our channel, and then hit that notification bell. Baka kayo kasi manalo. Sayang naman kung di nyo ma-claim. And we're giving 30 days duration from the date the video was uploaded. If after 30 days, hindi nyo na-claim yung giveaway nyo, sorry, it will be forfeited. Okay? So tabi na natin yan. Now, let's talk about the appearance of this HP laptop. My first impression on this unit, it's color silver from the cover to the body. Even in the keyboard, it's color silver. Even the tracking pad is silver. There's an HP logo here at the back and also an HP logo here at the bottom of the screen. And there's actually a sticker of an i3 here because last few months ago, we were able to vlog also an HP 14S, but that is an AMD variant. This is an Intel variant. And it comes with a Microsoft Office and some HP support here of a QR code. Okay, now let's talk about the ports of this unit. On this side, we got here an audio combo jack, and then a 2 USB, that's super speed, and then an HDMI, and the LAN port, the power socket. On the other side of this laptop, there's this Kensington lock, and then a USB Type-C 3.1. And there's also a light indicator here if the laptop is on, or it's reading, or it's charging. Now, the dimension of this HP 14S, the width is 12.7 inch, the depth is 8.9 inch, and the height is 0.7 inch, while the weight is 1.47 kilograms. The viewing angle is somewhat of 130 degrees. Now, let's talk about the specification of this HP 14S. The processor is Intel i3-10110U. So the base is 2.1 while the turbo boost is 4.1 GHz and runs with 2 cores and 4 threads. The memory is 4 GB with a speed of 2667 MHz, and the storage is 512 GB SSD, that's a solid state drive. The graphics is Intel Ultra HD graphics, so it's running an integrated, it's not dedicated. And then the screen size is 14 inch, that's 1366 by 768 HD resolution, bezeled screen with 220 nits, 45% NTSC. And the operating system of this unit is Windows 11 Home, because on the previous vlog, the HP 14S was a Windows 10. So right now, I'm testing the camera of this unit. Just like others, it's also running a 0.9 MP. And then what you're hearing right now is also the audio quality of this HP 14S. Typing test, I was able to score 47 words per minute. This is actually above average because normally I'm just only typing like 42 words per minute. So this is a 14 inch, it doesn't come with a numpad. And then the tracking pad, mahaba siya horizontally but not vertically. And there's actually buttons here. Kasi may mga ibang laptop na wala nang buttons yung tracking pad niya. Now, let's open the chassis. Let's see kung upgradable din yung mga memory nito and yung storage nito. Let's call our technician to remove the chassis. Alright, thank you sa technician natin na nag-open ng chassis. So, what I'm seeing here right now is this laptop is running a 4 GB. Ito yung 4 GB na nakakabit sa kanya. There's actually a free memory slot here. So, pinaka-advisable na pwedeng lagay dito is additional 4 GB to make it 8 GB. So, hindi naman na kailangan gawin tong 8 GB para gawin 16. It's actually parang overkill na yun para sa i3. Normally, sa mga i3, swak na yung 8 GB. So, I would suggest na we're just gonna add additional 4 gig here. And I also noticed that there's also an HDD slot here. Unfortunately, hindi natin pwede siyang i-upgrade dito sa Laptop Factory. If you want to add an HDD, you should go to an HP service center. By the way, this laptop comes with a 1-week replacement warranty and a 2 years HP warranty. The SSD is here. So this is running a 512 SSD, the Wi-Fi card, and it comes with a fan. And then the battery is here. So just to sum it up, ang pwede naming i-upgrade dito is the memory, but if you want to add an HDD, you should go to an HP service center. Now, let's talk about the pros and the cons of this unit. First of all, the pros is the design. Medyo naastigan ako sa pagka-silver niya. It's silver all over, even the keyboard is silver. And one of the pros of this unit, it comes with the Microsoft Office na lifetime. Kasi most of the laptop comes with a trial version, and then if you're gonna buy for a Microsoft Office, that will cost you around mga 5,000. And here, libre mo siya makukuha. Now, let's talk about the cons of this unit. First of all, napansin ko sa cons niya is yung memory niya is only a 4 gig memory. Normally kasi kung i3 ka na, dapat naka more than 4 gig ka or kahit paano 8 gig is pinaka-ideal. Pero nakita naman natin, it is upgradable. There's additional memory slot on this unit na pwede mong gawing 8 gig yung laptop. Lastly, ang cons niya is yung keyboard niya. The fonts of the keyboard is silver and also the keyboard itself is color silver. Kaya pag nagre-reflect sa light, hindi mo na makita kung ano yung pinipindot mo. Luckily, medyo kabisado ko yung keyboard. That's why I was able to score above average words per minute. So, sino ba ang target market ng unit na to? This is actually ideal for students. Number one, it comes with the Microsoft Office. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng Microsoft Office. And then, the price is right for an i3. Kasi, pwede naman ang Celeron sa mga students, pero medyo kapos yung Celeron sa ibang application eh. Ideal pa rin sa mga Zoom or you do some presentation. Kung kaya naman ng budget na pumunta sa i3, then go for an i3. And also, pwede na rin sa mga photo editing, mga video editing, not intense video editing because it doesn't come with a dedicated graphics. Games, pwede naman sa mga Valorant lang, pero if you're gonna use it like in Apex or yung mga AAA games like mga GTA, I would not suggest it. Hindi niya kakayanin. Dota 1, yes, but Dota 2, magkakaroon pa rin ng mga FPS drops. Hindi pwede to for engineering, for mga AutoCAD, yung mga 3D rendering. Because mga ganun application, you will require at least i5 or i7 with a decent video card. About the price of this unit, kung sa labas nyo bibilin to, roughly nasa 32,000. But here in Circuit Base or in Laptop Factory, we'll be selling this only for 30,000. And yet, currently we're on sale. That's why, rather than 30,000, we're selling this only for 28,500. The price vary. Minsan baka maging 29 or 29,500. But rest assured, hindi siya magiging more than 32,000. Kaya nga, while on sale, please grab this unit habang available pa on sale. Baka kasi bumalik na siya sa 30,000. HP 14S i3 4GB memory 512 SSD comes with a Microsoft Office lifetime. Is it worth it for 28,000 to 30,000? Kayo rin makakapagsabi niyan. Now, if there are some customers already purchased this unit, you can actually comment down below because your feedback highly matters. Makakatulong yan sa mga bibili ng product na ito. So guys, as we promised, pagdating natin ng 100,000 subscribers, magbibigay tayo ng laptop. We're not sure if that's a gaming laptop or not, but we're gonna announce it soon. In case that you want to avail this unit, we do have stores nationwide. We're just gonna list at the end of this video. And then we also offer installment. We're just gonna send the details below on how to avail installment. And we also do cash on delivery nationwide. So I think I said everything about this unit. Then again, this is Dustin from Laptop Factory. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Laptop that we're gonna unbox is an HP i3 that comes with a Microsoft Office. Aray ko!
Kaya mo.